Cleaning the dirt filter. First, you need to switch the boiler to off mode. The dirt filter should be located on the return line. Let's follow the boiler's return pipe. Here it is. To clean it, you need to close the shut-off valves before and after the filter. Carefully unscrew the dirt filter cap, having first placed the container underneath to collect the liquid. Rinse the dirt filter thoroughly under clean running water. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Open the valve. If the pressure has significantly dropped, please be sure to promptly restore it to its proper level. Switch the boiler to winter mode.